This equation is also having a powerful magic into that. If you see few of the words which it reflect, like E plus I into R is equal to O. Now, if you make a wild guess, what do you think about E? What do you think about I? What do you think about R and O? This is a whole, you can say, we can sum up our life into that. And if you want to make a guess about it, just write it down. I'm going to give you the answer right now. E stands for events which had happened all the time in our life. O stand for the outcome, the results. We don't have, in majority of the instances, we don't have any control on the events. And many of the instances, the outcome itself does not have wholly solely control within ourselves. The only control which we have is this part, which is called I and R. When I say the I and R, let's see what does it mean. E stand for events, I stand for interpretation of it. What interpretation you give, what meaning you give to that event, and then what is your selected response. When it multiplied, you can control the outcome of it. So what I've seen in my life, that people who are very successful, who are very positive, their control is, their focus is more onto the I and R part. They look into what are the interpretation of that event, what they can control, and what are their selected response onto that. Is that response is positive? Is that response has been contributing something of that? That multiple factor can, of course, affect the outcome in their life. And what I've seen, the people who are majority of the time, they are complaining, they are blaming. You know where they're majority of the time they are focused on? They focus on the E part only. They blame about the events. They focus about blaming other people around, which has caused some miseries, which has bring into their life. So my dear friend, this equation is going to make a lot of difference for you. So in that instance, whenever the situation came, you don't have a control on the event. You don't have any control on COVID-19. But you had a control on the interpretation, what interpretation you are going to make out of it, and what is your response, how you are going to respond to that. Is it a time to contribute? Is it a time to feel scary? It is a time to help our community. It is a time to be selfish. It is a time to help other people who have been suffering a lot. You make a choice. What is in your hand? And this is going to make a difference in your life, which we talk about that. So events, interpretation, response, and outcome. Now, here, I would say this is again a powerful focus onto that. There are a lot many things in our life. Just if this is an exercise, if I ask you if you can do it at your end, just make all the things in your life, all the things which you are doing right now. So for example, you have been doing every day, you are going to office, for example, fine. You are doing some job, you are doing some business, you have some sort of relationships with your friends, families, etc. You have some of the things over there. You have some of the financial responsibilities as well. You have the certain obligation at your end as well. You have something, make a list of those. And once you make a list of those, then focus on what are the things which you can control and influence. What are the things which you can control and influence? And then you put it on the left-hand side of that column, and you will have your list. I would recommend you that please do this exercise. Just do it once you are having a free time, and it is going to give you a different realization as well. Then also on the right-hand side, list down all the things which you cannot control and you cannot influence. And you might get some sort of a listing on the other side. Now, for example, if I ask you, do we have any control on what would be the statistics of that virus statistics in different part of the world? How long it is going to stay? What would be the situation of economy in the next 6 months or in a year? What is going to be happen? How our leaders or some of the other people, what would be their suggested actions? How can we control anything onto that? Absolutely not. But you would not be much surprised when you have found that if some of the people are spending or wasting, I would say the wasting of their time, just thinking about sticking to the TV screen all the time, listening to that sort of garbage, which is not going to add anything or to change any fraction in their life. But the people who are successful and happy, they are the one who always focus on the things which they can control and influence. So for example, what is the first control I can have? I can choose my attitude. I can control myself. I have a choice to make whether I should be positive or negative. I choose. I said I'm going to stay positive, and this positivity came with an attitude of gratitude. I have to live with an attitude of gratitude all the time. And this family and myself is under my influence. I have to pass it on the same influence for them. I have to control with all the COVID-19 instructions which has been passed on to me. I have to take care of that because this is in my control. I have to wear the mask. I have to wear the gloves, etc. I have to maintain the social distance. That's it. What is going to be happen in the long run for me? This is not in my control. The only thing in my control is what category, what precautions I can take. So